Welcome back to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Samsung Health. Samsung Health, accessible at samsung.com/us/Samsung-Health, provides a comprehensive platform for managing your well-being. This online portal serves as a central hub, connecting you to various resources and tools designed to help you achieve your health and fitness goals. It acts as a companion to the Samsung Health mobile app, offering a broader view of your tracked data and expanding on the functionalities available on your smartphone. Navigating through the website, you'll find a wealth of information covering topics such as exercise, nutrition, mindfulness, and sleep management. The platform emphasizes the importance of a holistic approach to health, providing insights and guidance on various lifestyle factors that contribute to overall well-being. Samsung Health aims to empower users with the knowledge and resources they need to make informed decisions about their health. One of the key benefits of using the Samsung Health website is the ability to delve deeper into your track metrics. Whether you're monitoring your daily step count, analyzing your sleep patterns, or tracking your calorie intake, the website offers a more detailed analysis than the mobile app. This expanded view allows for a better understanding of your progress and helps identify areas for improvement. The website also offers access to a range of programs and challenges designed to motivate and encourage healthy habits. These interactive features can help you set realistic goals, track your progress, and connect with a community of like-minded individuals striving for better health. Samsung Health understands the importance of social support in achieving long-term wellness. Furthermore, the Samsung Health website integrates seamlessly with other Samsung devices and services, creating a cohesive and personalized health ecosystem. This integration enhances the user experience, providing a seamless flow of data and insights across multiple platforms. By connecting with other Samsung devices, users can unlock even more features and functionalities. In addition to its core features, the Samsung Health website also provides access to educational resources and articles. These resources cover a wide range of health-related topics, providing users with valuable information to further enhance their understanding of health and wellness. Samsung Health strives to be a trusted source of information, empowering users to make informed decisions about their health journey. By offering a comprehensive platform that combines data tracking, personalized insights, and educational resources, Samsung Health provides a powerful tool for anyone seeking to improve their overall well-being. Remember to check out the link in the description below for more information.